Once the devil was having a sale, and on this sale he was offering his weapons and selling it to anybody who could pay the price. So on the table he had laid out all the weapons and given their name tags and their price tags. Weapons like hatred and jealousy and illness, lust, negative thinking, and so on. And on one side there was a very used weapon or a very worn out weapon, and the surprising thing was it was very highly priced, and that weapon was discouragement. And when the devil was asked why this weapon is so highly priced, and he replied that it is highly priced because it is very easy to use. I can easily use this weapon, and nobody believes that this weapon belongs to me. And with this weapon I can enter into doors which are very tightly locked from inside. And once I get inside into somebody, then I can use any weapon of my choice. So, chances are that you are not aware that you might be using this devil's weapon against your children, maybe your spouses, your subordinate, friends, and relatives. So become more aware about this weapon. Otherwise, you will be shattering somebody's confidence. You may be destroying somebody's life. You may be killing somebody's dream, and you may be throttling somebody's creativity. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I'll be back with yet another video. Until then, be happy, keep smiling, and take care. Bye.